let it be willing to sit there for a while. Even though you may not understand, why is it taking so long? And we live in a time today to where patience is not something that people possess. It is not a virtue. We live in a time today where everything is hurry, 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 hurry. Where we can do it, you can make everything quick. Just a side note, all this food you throwing in the microwave, you might want to change and use the stove.